Hello guys, uh, today we are going to continue with our mistake number 4, and we were saying that most traders generally do bad risk management or they don't do it at all. And if you remember well, I showed you how a good trader, a pro trader, can just by winning 3 trades out of 7 out of 10 uh, will still be a winner, winning on the market, while a loser trader, even if he wins 7 trades out of 10, he would be losing. And I finish asking you, which side do you see yourself at? So I answer this question again. Which side are you at? Are you right now a pro trader that can win just by winning 3 trades out of 10? Or you are the loser trader that can still be a loser even if you win 7 trades out of 10? So we'll continue, and like in all our videos, I'll start with the disclaimer. Okay, the risk disclosure. So we are still in the series of 7 mistakes that most traders make and fail, and how you can avoid them. Okay, and so as you already know, we have been going over it in every single video. Trading in general and Forex specifically is a high risk activity. It is not suited for everybody. Okay, not everybody can do it. You may lose more than you invested as your capital money, and you can get in debt. The information, examples, and representations in and under any form in this presentation and on amount Forex training are for educational purpose only. You alone are and will be responsible for your losses, and we will not be held liable in any way of the consequences of your decisions. So if you agree with that, let's continue then, and I'll continue to develop about this mistake 4, okay, which is that they don't do a good risk management. So they do a bad risk management, and that really works against them. So my second question is, which side do you want to be on now or in the future? So if you were a loser trader making efforts on the market and still losing just because a couple of losers come to take all your profits that you made out of 7 to 8 trades, or if you are break even, will you just try to continue that way, or will you try to behave as most pro traders do? But before anything, let's just try to see the impact of everything we talked about in the last video. Let's see the impact of that on the loser trader. So as a result of being losing in the markets for just losing 3 trades out of 10, he's always highly stressed. The loser trader is always stressed because he doesn't know what he's doing and he keeps adding mistakes to mistakes. He blows his eyes, always looking for opportunities in the market, running after small wins that he gives back to the market. That happens all the time. They just target small wins like 25 pips of win, 40 pips, generally at most 50 pips. Okay, and those small wins, even if they are adding up, they don't make really good money before a large loss come to strike them and take everything. Okay. Now, what is the impact on the loser trader? He also multiplies mistakes, and what they also do is they don't stick to one strategy. They go from one strategy to another. They don't even give time to try a strategy and see the pros and cons of it. They they always keep moving from one strategy to the other, and the reason why they do that is they are looking for the holy grail actually. So they are ready to invest in ad bots or programs promising holy grail, and there's no such thing in reality. So another thing that characterizes them is that, I mean, the loser trader, they keep pushing their stop loss to avoid the trades to be closed for the predetermined risk or loss. So when they put the stop loss, and since they are always on the market, watching the market in front of, always in front of the computer, when they realize that the market is going down or up, to hit the stop loss, instead of leaving it hit, they push it, push it, hoping that the market will soon reverse and not touch or hit the stop loss, which is a really bad way to trade. And the reason why they do that, it's because they are living in a world, in the mindset is that they have to win at least 8 trades before they can be profitable in the market. That's why they keep moving the stop loss while they don't have to actually. Okay, now let's see what it is for the pro trader. He trades proudly and with assurance because he knows what he's doing. He's a professional. He doesn't mind losing on some trades because the losses are part of the game, and the pro trader knows that. He knows that he will definitely have some position or some trades that will lose, but he's sure that he will catch up when market conditions allow him to. And he does not need to be glued to his computer watching every slight move of the market. The pro trader generally gives himself some rest until he gets a good opportunity before he even enters the market, which is not the case with the loser. Another thing that characterizes the pro trader is that he doesn't count on holy grail promising programs or bots. He doesn't invest in those things. He doesn't buy into those programs to help him in his trading actually, because he only needs, actually he just needs 2 to 3 winners to be profitable and successful in trading. So even if he keeps losing and he loses 7 trades, the 3 trades that he wins can completely reverse the situation in his favor. So he's not stressed at all. He has good sleep at night and can wake up in the morning before he can check the market again. While the loser trader may even lose sleep. It happens all the time. It's hard to sleep when you don't know what you are doing on the market. Okay, so now we'll see how you can avoid that mistake for which is to do bad risk management. And from everything we said from the last video to this one, you probably know or guess what you have to do. So the fundamental thing is to never open a trade if you are not sure that your profit is at least 2 times your risk. Literally what that means is if you are risking $50 or 50 pips as your stop loss, then your take profit should be 100 pips or $100. You should also prioritize long-term strategies over the short-term or even very short-term that most traders are doing out there. Most traders, they are working on the 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes time frames. Those time frames are not good. They are not long-term enough to target big win, big take profit. So they don't allow a trader to really target 2, 3, 4, even 5 to 6 times the risk in terms of profit. Yeah, as you know, running after small wins doesn't allow a good profit risk ratio. That's what I just said. When you are wasting time after small wins of 25 pips, 50 pips or something, you cannot at the same time have a good profit to risk ratio, because it is hard to just like target a stop loss of 10 pips. It is really hard to do that. People can barely do that. So in order to target, like to have a profit to risk ratio of 3, 4, 5, you need to be on the longer term time frame. And another thing is to prioritize the risk in terms of a predefined amount of money. We will never put the stress enough on that. You have to risk in terms of predefined amount of money instead of risking in pips. Pips mean literally nothing. Your account is in dollar amount or euro or all that. It's all about money. It's more about money than pip. You don't have an account that is in pip. You have an account that is in amount of money. So the most important thing is how much you lose or make on every single trade, okay? And your result will dramatically change if you try to never pull the trigger unless you are sure to make in profit 2 or 3 times what you risk. That's the big secret you need to apply to start seeing fast results. And last thing I have to tell you is to apply what you just learned. What you learned from the first video to now, and especially from the previous video, which was about this mistake 4 plus this one. Try to apply it. Don't just use it as a knowledge and okay, I know because I saw what I heard what he said or I saw what he said. That's not just enough. You have to apply it, and that will change your way of trading, and you'll get the results that you deserve. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and please give thumbs up if you like it, and hit the notification bell to get more videos. There are really more videos to come, and we are just at the mistake 4. We still have 3 mistakes to talk about, and after that I'll go deeper in many other subjects, and I'll show you how to set up your MetaTrader for good result, how to set up everything from beginning to end. And as I promised you, I'll do my best so that all the videos are really short so that you can be focused. And thank you very much. And don't forget, if you have questions, send them to questions@amountforextraining.com, and I'll make a final video in each series for question and answer. Thank you very much, and bye.